new way of organization. You'll now find it's not just a list of all the properties. They have now organized your property fields based off the type of property it is. So you have your texts, you have your number properties, date properties, and your Boolean or true or false properties, right? And so I'm like searching for tasks, and I don't see where I can see where this task is overdue. That's because right now, all I have for my objects is just the contact, but I want to reference other records. So how I'm going to pull in other records or other information from the CRM is I'm going to edit available data to me. And so you'll see here, all I have is data about the contact, but if I click add data source, I'll see all these other things that I can pull in information about, okay? So I have this, I'm going to do it based on the task. I want it to pull in the latest task that was created, okay? So not, because it could have many tasks, right? Well, this one was just created 2 days ago, so, or technically 3 days ago. So I'm literally having it just finding not just the updated one, because that could be referring to them completing a different one. I want the most recently created.
Oh, she just froze. But she was choosing the most recently created. Okay, Alexa, you froze, but you're back again now.
Okay. So I just chose the recently created one. I clicked add, and now I have my task property fields, right? So I'm going to search for the property if overdue or not. One thing I want to show you real quick though on that, because you might have association labels in here. So what I'm going to show you also is when you're pulling in, when you're pulling in your data sources, okay, because you'll see here, enroll contact, and now I have task or enroll contact. If you're wanting to pull in, for example, a company information, but it's the same case where they have multiple association labels, I only wanted to pull the company record of a specific association label, or I only want the primary company. This gives you the ability to say, I only want it to pull by association label, or I want it to pull by activity, which was like most recently updated or something like that. But I'm going to choose association label instead. And this is where I'll choose, I only want either the labels or I just want my primary company information. And I add it that way. So that's how you use association labels when pulling in data.